Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down again and tap on Font. Lastly, swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out Preview above. When you are finished, to save your changes, click on Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!